Alright, what's up YouTube? Slimix here. I'm going to show you how to add free ringtones on the Lg220C. Some people have been having trouble with this, so the first thing you want to do is go to makeownringtone.com and then go to either MP3. I'll show you what it looks like. MP3.com, and you can download any song you want, basically. Just search and download it. The next thing that you want to do is, after you go to make your own ringtones and you download it, go to upload, and then out of any song, pick any of the songs that you downloaded. I've downloaded a bunch, so let's say I want to do Black and Yellow. I will open it and it'll take about either 5 to 3 minutes depending on your song rate. I'll pause this and pause it back. Alright, when it's done it should look something like this. Now what you want to do is already have the tab open that you download the song from and go to davidpye.com, and it should bring up this, and all you have to do is go to free, no, you have to go to mobile phone vault. And right here you can download any wallpapers or screensavers that you want. So you have to go to free WAP, free WAP. Then you want to scroll down right here and just have it right there. And then go back to make your own ringtones align and make sure that it's not over 30 seconds. That's what I recommend for this type of phone, for it to not be over 30 seconds. So I'm going to start right there. I'm going to start it right here and end it right there. That'll be about 10 seconds. So I'll go to about 29 and click select it. And you can just listen to your ringtone. And if you're satisfied with it, just go and save it. If you want to make it more realistic, I'll suggest that you go to like a real ringtone site and listen to the ringtone first, and then make it from that. So right now I'm listening to my ringtone, see if it sounds like a real ringtone. Alright, so I'm satisfied with it. So you want to make sure you do not forget this. Change the file to QCP. If you want to add the fade, you can, but I don't want to add mine at the beginning. I don't want to add it at the end because mine comes on like so fast. So I'm going to uncheck that and check end and put about 2 seconds to make it okay. Make sure you put download to computer. make a ringtone. Alright, right here you can play it. And then make sure you right click, save link as, and it should download like probably about 5 seconds. It should be done downloading. Name it. Make sure not to name this. It's the same thing every time because it'll end up being like, let's say I keep on naming the ringtone. When you search it up, when you search ringtone up the first time, it will be okay. But if you search it up again, it'll be messed up. See, that was a fast download. It's just scanning for viruses. And once it's done scanning for viruses, or if your computer has that on it, go to my place where everything is free again. Browse and pull up the file that you just now saved. Right here it says black and yellow .qcp. Open it. Submit. Alright, it'll say click your. Then you want to go to your menu, go to URL, and then type in what it says to type. So, like for looking audit, I'll type in. When you're done, it should bring up something like this. See that little picture? Now all you have to do is go right here and click save. We'll ask you to save it to your media audio. Click yes. Press end. I'll show you what time you spent on the phone. Go to your folder. Go to your audios. My audios. And there it goes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment if it's messing up. Alright.